That are here in your numbers to support us. Gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank you first of all for your support. When I say support, I mean the Akpor people, the support they gave to us before, during, and after our election. It's an opportunity for me to return that thank you. And what we're doing today is to tell you we appreciate that support. I know a lot of you will be wondering, why did we decide to pick on this particular road now? We are already embarking on a very big project in this state, which is the Ring Road. And a lot of our people are suffering because of the Ring Road. Pressure on the direct channels that we'll be using. Most of these roads, this one in particular, is a road that will take off some pressure from the main route that we are familiar with. And we thought it wise that it is proper for us to fix this road. Fixing this road will also improve the economy of the people living here. It will also improve the security state of this environment. So we're thinking not just for ourselves, but also thinking for the good and wonderful people of our states. So I want to say, support us so that we'll continue to deliver on our promises. I want to say, stand with us. We will not fail you. Your leader said something about the issue of internal roads. He mentioned the issue of healthcare services, that is not having a good hospital around this place. He also mentioned an issue of school. Hospital and school are very key areas of our administration. So I can assure you here and now that we will immediately commence the process to give you an hospital, and improve the state of your school. We will not end there. We will also visit your request of internal roads.
Yes, sir. Don't finish work.
Let me say it here.
Nothing stop you.
Any request that is genuine, coming from Chijoke, I will not turn it down. He has shown so much support. When people were scared to stand with us, he stood with us at the detriment of his life. So we'll continue to support him, so that his people will know that his decision wasn't a wrong one.
Yes, sir.
The Akpor made a request too. He said he doesn't have a palace. That his palace has been turned to Market Square. But if it's Market Square, you should be making money now. Here and now. Let me also say that the Minister of Special Projects will take over that project to ensure that we give His Majesty a befitting palace. I have only one request. That request is continue to conduct yourself in the face of all the assaults. They want us to miss our goal. They want to distract us. If we fight with them, we'll be wasting our energy. So what we need to do is continue to do that thing that we promised our people. I told you people about the story. At that time, some of those people who were even saying some nasty things about us were commending that philosophy. He said, you know, eagle is a very strong bird.
Yes.
And there's only one bird that normally torments the eagle. When he perches on the back of eagle can't do anything. So eagle will be under pressure. So what the eagle will do is to fly very, very high. When it gets high, the altitude becomes a problem to the bird. It will on its own fall off. So our style will be to set a standard that will be above them. That when they come, people will say, but what the people are doing, everybody is saying it now, and it is about the people. So that will be our style of leadership. So let me thank every one of you for making time to come and support us today. The Permanent Secretary have already assured you this project is not just flagging it off. We're going to commission it in the next 5 months. What is important to us is give the contractor the necessary support. Community leaders support the contractor. Don't sabotage them. At the end of the day, the project belongs to you. It is a project that will bring a better and amiable environment for you. So please support them. On the part of the contractor, respect the constituted authority, dialogue with the leaders of this area, so that your job will also go on smoothly.
God will bless you.
Our young men and women that are standing, watching, the take home this afternoon is just be strong. Be strong and be strong. Forget about what you read in social media. Forget about what you read in the faces of some newspapers. What is important, as one very great writer wrote, he said, it is not about you standing with, or God standing with you. Some people say God standing with you. It's you. Are you standing with God? We are standing with God.
Yes, sir.
And because we are standing with God, nothing is impossible for this administration.
Yes, sir.
Let me thank you for your support. God will continue to bless you.
Amen.
Let me, on this note, invite our elders to join us while we flog off this project.